Have you ever tested a carrot cupcake before? Oh my God, if you have not, you are absolutely missing. And this recipe I am about to share is a signature recipe. It is moist, it is delicious, it is lovely, it is lush. Give it every description you can. Just be kind enough to give it the very good one, because this recipe deserves it. And in this video, I am going to tell you in detail how I made the best carrot cupcake. And if this is what you're interested in, please stay tuned. You are welcome to my channel. I must appreciate all my new subscribers, all the new people that are just bumping into this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for also hitting the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, you know I love you. And thank you so much for always coming back to click and watch, like and share. It is greatly appreciated. So let's just get right into it. Every ingredient that I'm going to be using for this cake is going to be listed in the description box below. So we start off with adding our brown sugar into a clean bowl, and the next bit is to add in your white sugar as well. With all the sugar or the sugars added in, you add in your oil and then whisk them together until well combined. Start adding the eggs one after the other until all the 6 eggs are all in the mixture and well incorporated. Remember to mix after each addition. Once this is done, set that aside, and then in your bowl that has your flour in it, add in your cinnamon, your salt, baking powder and baking soda. Ground ginger and nutmeg can also be added, but it's completely optional. Mix all the dry ingredients together and set aside as well. In the bowl that has got your wet ingredients, begin to add your dry ingredients gradually. Do not forget to sieve your dry ingredients. This can be done in a separate bowl, and then you add in your dry to your wet ingredients. Gently mix them together. Ensure not to be vigorous in your mixing to avoid formation of gluten, but simply put, mix until well combined. So as soon as the whole flour has become incorporated in your mixture, your batter is ready. Blended pineapple is another secret ingredient that can always be added. I got this from Cakes by MK, but it's always nice as well. Then add in your carrots and gently fold in the carrot and the blended pineapple into your batter. Once that is done, your carrot cake batter is now ready to be scooped into your cupcake pans. But the last part of the preparation is to add in your vanilla essence or your flavor. Gently mix and then scoop your batter into the cupcakes pan. Pop that into the oven at 150 to 160 degrees centigrade and bake for at least 15 to 20 minutes or less depending on your oven temperature. Once you think it is done, open your oven and check with a skewer for doneness. Carrot cupcakes are ready. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.